3D virtual video tour of 365 Holmes Gulch Road here in Bailey, Colorado. This is the view you get when you buy this home and sit out on your front deck. Amazing, truly amazing. There is, this video just doesn't even do it justice, and there's just a hint of haze today. So if you can imagine on a perfectly clear day, it is just breathtaking, stunning, whatever adjective you want to attribute to this view, that's what you have here. And we have this deck that wraps around the front of the house. You do have the storage shed there off in the distance, and then we'll take you around. The deck wraps on around to the side of the house. So that's what you have here. Again, Tim Jones, Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty. Want to welcome you to our live Facebook broadcast and tour of this amazing home. So we'll step back. You may have seen the pictures online and that sort of thing. This is the front of the house, so you do have some great light coming in through these windows that really run the full height of the great room. So let's go on inside and see what we've got going on. Sound good? Great. So again, more windows in here. You've got the front windows. You do have more windows in the side. We'll just take a quick look around here. As you can see, this is a completely open space for you. It's fantastic. And say hi to Zoe. Zoe's a sweet little pup here, and she's joining me on this tour. So one of the things that I absolutely love is the vaulted ceiling. So you've got some wonderful vaults here to accent the home. You've got this open floor plan where the living area is situated, and let me step around here so you can really take it in. So the living area is really designed so that you can drink in those amazing views that capture the whole spectrum, the whole horizon of the mountainscape outside. So that's what you've got going on. Here in the winter months, of course, you can enjoy this wood burning stove. It's not a pellet stove, wood burning stove here. You do have a side door. We do have it set up so that Zoe can get out onto the deck and enjoy her space outside as well. And then you do have dining space set up right here adjacent to the kitchen. And the thing that I like about the kitchen is that you do have a lot of cabinet space for this kitchen, and it is nice and open. The vaults carry on in here, so it really feels very, very spacious. And again, from the sink, and I know, when I'm working at a sink, I like to be able to look out, and you do have views out the backside, yet when you're in here and you're entertaining guests, you do have room for seating right here at this island with 3 guests, yet you can turn around and again take in those amazing views. So that's what you've got going here in the kitchen, and I just wanted to share that with you. Again, if you've got questions about this house, we're at 365 Holmes Gulch Road, Bailey, Colorado. It is a 3-bedroom. All the bedrooms are here currently on the master. I'm going to share some additional information with you. It does have 2 full baths. We'll show you those. It's currently listed at $500,000. If you have other questions, you'd like to schedule a private showing, just reach out to me or Sandy at 720-314-8462. We'd be happy to set that up for you. Or, of course, contact your broker, your agent, and they can easily get you in here to take a look. So we do have this hallway. You've got a pantry, additional pantry. We do have this guest bathroom here, and so you've got a nice spacious vanity and commode, and then you've got a shower tub combination here in that bathroom. Now, I'm continuing on down the hall. To my left is, again, these bedrooms are good size, and we do have all the measurements listed in the MLS, and we can get that information to you. So here's another guest bedroom. You've got nice window access into the landscape, into the backyard, and a good size closet area here. So that's guest bedroom number one. You've got a little linen closet here. At the end of the hall, we have yet another good sized bedroom, and this one's even slightly larger than that. Again, another closet. You've got two windows in this bedroom, some nice Berber type carpet, and that sort of thing. And again, this bedroom may not look as large as it really is because of the size of the furniture. You can see that's a massive 4-poster bed that's in here right now. So to my right is the master bedroom, master suite, and it is a full master suite. You've got these double walk-in, or not walk-in, double closets here that we have available for you in this master suite. And the cool thing about this master suite is it was designed, it was set up to fully capture full-on those mountain views right out the window. So that is just amazing. I mean, it's hard to find a house with these kinds of views, especially coming into the master, and then the master being here on the main level. So this is, again, a really good size master. We've got those dimensions posted for you on the MLS, and then right on through here, we've got the double bowl vanity. You've got the walk-in shower, the jetted tub, and the commode, as well as a little linen closet right here in the space. So, and you're set up here with some just amazing views right out of the jetted tub, looking out onto the mountainscape. So one of the other things that I really love about this master space here. So that's what's going on here in the master suite. You do have, see if I can get us down here on the floors. So these are oak floors, and they're the wide planks. So they are 4-inch wide planks, not the 2.5, 2.25 that you typically see in a house. This house was built in 2006. So it is a newer construction home, and it does have, through the main level until you get into the bedrooms, it does have these wonderful hardwood floors. So that's what else is going on. Like I said, that deck wraps around all the way around to the side. You've got steps off into the back, and then the backyard takes off up here. You've got just lots of great trees and just an awesome backyard with lots of rock outcroppings. So, you know, that's something that a lot of people drive thousands of miles just to see. And here it is right here in your own backyard. So that's pretty cool as well. And we think that's another very special feature of the home. Now, the other thing, and this seller is in the process of, you know, as understandably getting things packed up and all of that. So we do have, and you can kind of join me on my little travel downstairs here. We do have downstairs space. So upstairs, you've got 1,782 square feet. And then down here, you've got another 1,680 square feet. I'm not going to completely embarrass her, but what we've got is we have completely framed in, insulated, all ready to go, this space, 1,680 square feet. So it's got a walkout exit entrance, exit, sliding door, lots of light coming in here, lots of windows. I don't even have any of the lights on right now. And it's already stubbed in for a bathroom down here. So you could easily put another bedroom, make this a 4-bedroom, easily put a family room down here, use the upstairs as more of a formal great room, and then you've got walkout underneath the deck down here. So lots of room to add a tremendous amount of value. And then you've got this oversized garage. This garage is 30 feet deep and 28 feet wide. So it is extremely oversized. And here's what I like. These guys, right now they've got an ATV in it. They did have a motorcycle, so they actually have a smaller overhead door that's actually, you know, on a power lift, a power door, that you can put any toy that would fit in here and easily get it on out. And then you've still got your 2 garage bays, as well as a great amount of parking outside. Easily park several more vehicles outside of this home here at 365 Holmes Gulch Road in Bailey, Colorado. So if you have questions about it, would like to see it, if there's something you feel like is important to you and you're curious about it, you know, give me a holler, or Sandy at 720-314-8462. We think it's just a phenomenal home, has lots of upside potential, especially when you finish off that downstairs area by putting in yet a 3rd bathroom and another bedroom and a family room down there, entertainment space, office, home office, whatever you might need in that space down there. So we'd love for you to check it out. Share this video with somebody that you think might be looking for a home like this, or somebody that you think might be looking for views like that. And that's really what I want to leave you with. Those views that you can get here at 365 Holmes Gulch Road, Bailey, Colorado. I'm getting ready to sign off, folks. Tim Jones, Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a fantastic day. Stay safe, be well, and we'll talk to you next time.